Welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, this channel was created to enable people to have financial freedom by learning different ways to make money online in 2022. To further support this channel, please subscribe and leave a like button to my videos. Well, today we would be looking at 5 softwares to help boost your presence and audience on social media. This kind of topic is not something I cover often, but it is kind of related to my purpose of creating this channel. Social media is the norm of our generation. And having a good amount of audience on social media can make you stand out and earn you a lot of cash as well. You can do different things, like with a large audience on social media. You can promote brands, promote affiliate links, and so much more. In fact, most social medias pay users that has good amount of audience. So if you're having trouble getting large audience on social media, well, you need to watch this video, cause due to extreme research, I have found the best softwares to use to grow your social media account quickly. Fiverr. Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance services with low-cost providers from all over the world. The idea behind their brand is to streamline the process of hiring or getting hired as a freelancer. The online marketplace cuts out the middlemen of hiring, firing, and HR departments. Smaller businesses can get things done on a more case-by-case basis, and freelancers have the freedom of selling their services at any time to any company. Fiverr lets clients pay in advance for gigs, which constitute any digital service ranging from WordPress design, logo design, writing services, transcriptions, social media services, to even voice-over work. Although all services were priced at $5 when the site initially launched, freelancers can now set their price to whatever they choose and can offer package deals, or gig packages. Fiverr is a place where you can already meet experienced social media managers and companies that can help you boost your social media presence in a short time. You can easily head over to Fiverr and look for an expert freelancer, usually someone with good reviews, and you can easily get started. Social Boost. Social Boost is an organic Instagram growth agency which helps businesses, influencers, and individuals grow their Instagram accounts with real, engaged followers. All our growth work is done by hand, using the Instagram app. This means it is much more authentic and safer than using bots or automation. We have a team of over 135 Instagram growth experts, spread over 3 continents, making us one of the largest players in the Instagram growth space. How they grow your Instagram. Firstly, you provide us with the type of audience you're looking to grow, such as niche, interests, location, age, and gender. Afterwards, we connect your Instagram to an iPhone, which is assigned to one of the growth agents. They will then grow your account manually through the Instagram app by interacting with people in your target audience who have recently engaged with similar content to yours. They will do this by following them, or liking and commenting on their content. MediaMister. MediaMister is a company that sells likes, followers, plays, views, and more. The process is very straightforward. You pay, you get what you paid for. They promise to grow your accounts organically, with real users, likes, and views. The team at MediaMister brings decades of combined experience to every project we take on. To date, they have supported more than 50,000 customers from all over the world with a dynamic range of authentic social signals for the world's most competitive platforms. Each and every service provided by MediaMister is performed 100% manually. They provide high-impact social signals from real people with active and authentic accounts. Number 4. Crowdfire. Crowdfire is a content marketing solution that can be used by individuals, businesses of any scale, and even entrepreneurs to aid the growth of their social media presence rapidly. With its smart features and clean, engage, grow philosophy, it facilitates both individuals and organizations in reaching a wider audience, which further grows their businesses. It provides users with relevant connections that help them accomplish their goals in social media, such as brand recognition and increased fans, sales, and brand popularity. The software can be accessed not only via web browsers but also on mobile devices through its iOS and Android applications. This makes it a powerful solution for attracting targeted followers on Instagram and Twitter. Because of that, it has become a widely popular tool, sporting more than 19 million users worldwide. Number 5. Social Bee. SocialBee is a cloud-based social media management software designed to help businesses manage content, scheduling, marketing, planning, audience tracking, and more across LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest and other social networks. The platform includes custom posting capabilities, which enable organizations to handle content posting on social profiles, pages, and groups, and promote offers, products, events, and services on Google Business. The categories management functionality in SocialBee lets organizations create multiple categories to organize and recycle content, edit posts using images, texts and links, and approve, reject or assign posts to different social accounts. It offers a variety of features such as custom links, keyword search, RSS feed, bulk editor, post preview, multiple user accounts, data import, and more. Administrators can also schedule posts by date or time and receive notifications for failed actions, empty categories, media import status, and more. Thank you for watching this video today. I really hope you got some insights from it. Hope to see you in the next video. Make sure to leave a like and check the description below, also comment down below your best software. Bye for now.